Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin still held this 83.25 level, finally got back above the rotation zone. We got the first cross, tried to rotate back up, get above the 50 and the 200, very strong levels there, and then dropped back down. This is also a double top on the 4-hour pattern, which had the targets. Let me move this out of the way, we're just going to update these levels anyways. Which had the targets 84.94, 84.34, and then 83.74, which is just at the bottom of these moves. It's already hit the first two targets essentially. Not been able to get much traction. If we drop below this 83.74 level, there's going to be some support about 83.25 right in here, all this prior support. But if we break below that, then we'll be watching for a retest of the low, then 78.91. Then we have a major cluster here now at 77.62. So keep that in mind. We also did have a divergence here. See, it made a higher high, slightly lower high in the RSI. Then we triggered the double top. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart, you see also poked into the rotation zone. We talked about this in the last video and could not get any traction. So this is still not a great sign. We may be putting in a bottoming pattern and just letting this burn off sideways. So we're just going to keep an eye out for that. You have the next levels lower, but again, we're being very patient. The rotation zone again on the 4-hour, let me switch back, is now back to against us, but not a wide separation though. So this is not that bearish, but we're in still slightly bearish mode because the rotation zone is against us on the daily. So we need another strong reversal signal to look to dip our toe in the water again and see if it can finally get some traction. Switching over to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash got slightly above the rotation zone a couple times, was slammed straight into the 50. It's why we also watched the 50, and we'll check on what it did on the daily. Now we have this horizontal channel, but it's sort of sloppy, so we're just going to use our GAN projections. First level support now is trading right there, this 1320 area. Dip buyers came in here. If it does drop below this, watch for some minor support at the 200, about 1285. Then if that breaks, we're watching for 1233, 1200. We have 1190 to 1202, a couple GAN levels coming in together. Then 1116. If this rallies back up, resistance, the major resistance area is now coming in at around 1460. So we really need to see it get above 1460, probably hit around this 1500 level, then pull back and find support before we're interested. Checking in on the daily. This is now dragging this lower. If this does head lower, we may get that first cross. See, we had the resistance from the 8. Did get the close below the 20 rotation zone again. So this is looking pretty weak in here. By the prior lows is 1263. We have the rising 50. So that is going to be some pretty major support right around 1263. But if that's broken, then it could go down through some of these other levels pretty quickly. Because last time we have support, 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 support. If this breaks, and everybody who's bought in any of here will probably bail out, and then that will just add to selling pressure. So keep that in mind for Bitcoin Cash. We're being very, very patient on this. This could easily head lower. If there's a high probability reversal pattern, that's another story. There just isn't one yet. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.